Good morning, my friends. Happy 2026. This is VJ Franz K, and I'm doing unboxing of some new products. As you know, I usually do creative technology, but in this case, we're doing health technology. What are we covering at this moment? It is LIV Fresh toothpaste. And I believe I saw this on an internet ad, perhaps even on YouTube itself. But it is an amazingly good toothpaste that I have recently discovered, and it's got a new special ingredient which makes the plaque dissolving properties of this just amazing. It seems very different when you start using it. It's more like a thin liquid or gel, so it's much thinner than regular toothpaste usually would be. Is it really paste, actually? You'll have to ask yourself, but you do put it on your toothbrush and you brush similarly to the way that you always have. But after a few days, you'll notice that your teeth are unusually clean, extra white, and they look great. So I really have to recommend this toothpaste greatly, and I'm going to give some to my friends and family for that reason, just because I'm so impressed with the results. And here is some mouthwash from also LIV Fresh. I got it, and I'm going to try it. It has a special ingredient in here. I think it's edathamil or something like that, but that is a new special ingredient that they have formulated, but it just works wonders. So we'll see if it is as good for mouthwash as it is for toothpaste. But anyway, I got a package deal here with several of them, and I got the holiday pricing. That was nice, but at the regular price or at bundle, or they have a subscription order that you could get. But it's worth it no matter what, even though it does cost a bit more than regular toothpaste. And you could say, well, is that expense worth it? But I say, healthcare is costly, and appointments and stuff like that. And preventative healthcare is so much better. Here is a nice cloth bag they've added as a promo item for the holiday sale or something. But preventative healthcare is so much better than taking care of things, taking care of problems after they have already become serious, because you may not be able to totally solve the problem there, and it may be too late. So particularly with your health, be proactive and just go forward with things. Let's see. So I got here let's see, what flavor is this? Wintergreen Whitening, which I have used before. The lights are a bit too brightly whitening this scene at this moment, but yeah, this is good. It is, I'll show you one of the toothpastes here. And it comes in an unusually small tube, and part of that is that you're supposed to use an unusually small amount of this toothpaste, less than you would a regular paste. And it's got this sort of shiny silver end there. Looks high-tech, and it is high-tech. It's new chemistry to help us keep our teeth in the best possible shape. And of course, dental health is good if you're a vocalist, particularly because healthy teeth, healthy mouth, healthy throat. But they also say that bad dental health can contribute to a variety of health problems. So even things that you wouldn't think could be related could be. So take good care of your teeth. Use mouthwash. Use good toothpaste and floss and brush every day. Make sure to. After meals, you know. So this is, let's see, this is their new flavor that they were mentioning. This one is Arctic. You know, a lot of people say Arctic, but it is really Arctic peppermint. So this is going to be interesting to try also. Going to look forward to that, and I'll leave extra comments or maybe another video later on discussing this entire situation. But now we'll go back to the synthesizers and audio gear that I usually discuss. But, you know, it's this particular product. I like to try, you know, new products of every category, not just synthesizers and art supplies and music supplies and stuff. So, but I'm sharing it with you just because, you know, this is not a paid testimonial or anything like that. But I noticed how good it is, how very the results impressed me. So I suggest you give it a try, and you can tell them I sent you with this review. But, you know, it's, like I said, preventative healthcare. That is where it's at. And, you know, your mileage may vary, but I noticed drastically good results with this particular toothpaste, and I'm going to try the mouthwash. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe. Leave your questions and comments.